The Child Psychology specialization offered by the Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences comes under the MA/MSc Applied Psychology program. As a specialization, it focuses on keeping the needs of today and the future for tomorrow. It focuses on preparing young, bright scholars to become budding clinicians, school counselors, and behavioral scientists who delve into the child and adolescent mental health along with modern parenting through a theory and application strategy. We are definitely one of the few institutes in the country to provide this specialization which comes from a multidisciplinary lens. B, the faculties who will be teaching this course come from top institutes of the country along with experience which helps in translating the theory into practice. And C, the course has actually been reviewed and approved by the experts in the field, thereby establishing the rigor of the course. Understanding the normal and abnormal patterns of both child and adolescent with their school and their parents is becoming extremely important. And hence, we need to have young behavioral scientists, budding clinicians, and school counselors who are trained to delve into the emotions, manage the developmental stages, and help and manage them thrive through life.